Hi children, how are you? I'm your Monica teacher. Today we are going to discuss the grammar part of the lesson, the unlucky face. Now all of you children open page number 102. Now you have glossary here. Let us read it once. Emperor, a man who rules an empire. Emperor, a man who rules an empire. Summoned, called upon to do something. Summoned, called upon to do something. Wailed, cried. Wailed, cried. Executioner, a person who carries out an action of killing. Executioner, a person who carries out an action of killing. Fate, unavoidable event. Fate, unavoidable event. Innocent, without sin, pure. Innocent, without sin, pure. Now you see comprehension. Second bit. Read the following sentences and complete them by choosing the appropriate option. Now you read the sentence and you choose the correct option and write here in the blank given. Now first one you see, the doctor was called. Why the doctor was called? To see Akbar or to see the queen? Which one is the right option? A is the right option. So write to see Akbar. To see Akbar. See the second one. Akbar ordered a fresh meal because option A is given. His meal was not tasty. B. His meal was cold. Which option is right? His meal was cold. That's why he ordered fresh meal. Yes or no? So write his meal was cold. His meal was cold. Now you see the third one. Akbar fell ill because option A, he hadn't eaten anything the whole morning. B, he saw Hirachand's face. See why he fell ill, Akbar. Why he fell ill? Because he hadn't eaten anything the whole morning. This one is the right option. He hadn't eaten anything the whole morning, because he hadn't eaten anything in the whole morning. Now you take your page 103. Now see there vocabulary you have. Now read the following words and phrases given below. Now you read these words and phrases. First one, starving, eating fruits. Third one, overeating. Fourth one, playing games. Fifth one, eating vegetables. Sixth one, eating junk food. Seventh one, getting up early. Eighth one, drinking contaminated water. Now ninth one, eating contaminated food. Now 10th one, cutting nails. 11th one, sleeping late. Now 12th one, sleeping early. Now write the above words, phrases under given headings. See some headings given here. See first word is given healthy habits. Second one, reasons for illness. Now these words which belongs to healthy habits you write here. Which belong to reasons for illness you write here. Now this starving, healthy habit, reason for illness. Starving is reason for illness. So you write in the box there starving in the reason for illness. Now eating fruits. Eating fruits is healthy habit. So you write eating fruits. Eating fruits. Now overeating. Overeating is reason for illness. So you write here in the box reason for illness overeating. Overeating. Fourth one, playing games, healthy habits. So you write in healthy habit, playing games. Fifth one, eating vegetables, good habits. So you write here in the healthy habits box, eating vegetables. Eating vegetables. Now sixth one, eating junk food, reason for illness. Eating junk food. Eating junk food. Now seventh one, getting up early, good habits. So you write here getting in healthy habits, getting up early. Getting up early. Now eighth one, drinking contaminated water, reason for illness. So you write here in reason for illness box, drinking contaminated water. Contaminated water. Now eating contaminated food is also reason for illness. So you write in the box there, reason for illness, eating contaminated food. Eating contaminated food. 10th one, cutting nails, good habit. So healthy habit you write, cutting nails. Now 11th one, sleeping late, reason for illness, sleeping late. Sleeping late is reason for illness. Sleeping early, healthy habit. You write in healthy habit box, sleeping early. Now see the second bit, read the following paragraph, replace the underlined words with the words from the story, now which have the same meaning. So see here, one paragraph is given, some words are given underlined. That underlined word you should add another word which is same, which has the same meaning. That underlined word you should change which has the same meaning. Now Hirachand was a businessman. Hirachand was a businessman. Once he was called to Akbar's court. Once he was called to Akbar court. Akbar ordered to kill him. Hirachand begged for his kindness, but Akbar would not hear. Poor Hirachand cried aloud. Now you change the underlined words which have the same meaning. Now Hirachand was a merchant. Merchant, you write there, merchant. Now once he was called, brought. He was brought to Akbar's court. Akbar ordered to kill him. Hirachand begged for his kindness. Kindness, mercy. Mercy, but Akbar would not hear. Listen. Akbar did not hear means listen. Now poor Hirachand cried aloud. Cried, wailed. See, these are the words which have the same meaning. Now all children turn your page 104. Now you see here third bit. Read the descriptions of persons from the story and write their names in the space provided. See here. Now you read the description of the story and write their names in the space here. Now he was a merchant who lived in Delhi. Who was that merchant who lived in Delhi? Hirachand. Yes or no? Hirachand was a merchant. So you write Hirachand here in the blank. Now you see the second one. He was the emperor who ruled India. Who was the emperor in the lesson? Akbar. Akbar. He was the emperor who ruled India. Now third one. He came to the king's court when Akbar fell ill. Who came to king's court? The royal doctor. Who came to Akbar court? Royal doctor. royal doctor, you write there. Now see the fourth one. He was ordered to drag Hirachand to be executed. Who ordered? Akbar ordered the god to take away that Hirachand and put him in the present god. Now fifth one. He was the vice minister at the king's court. Who was the vice minister? Birbal. Birbal was the vice minister in the king's court. Now you see oral skills. Work in groups. Ask one another the questions about what you see in the picture and also answer them. One question is given below. Now you observe the picture here and you ask about the questions what had happening in the picture. Now see, one question is given here. Remaining questions you should form, children. Now what are the gods doing? What they are doing here, gods? They are taking away Hirachand to put into prison. To put him to prison. Now you write here. The gods are taking Hirachand to prison. The gods are taking Hirachand to prison. Like that you prepare more questions and present in the classroom. Now you children prepare more questions, observe the picture and form more questions. Now all children open page number 105. Now you have grammar. Look at the following sentences. Now you look at the following sentences. Hirachand told what had happened. Hirachand told what had happened. There are two actions suggested by the verbs. See what are they? Told and had happened. They are verbs in the sentence given there. Told and had happened. The second verb had happened talks about the action done earlier. The first one talks about the action done later. See here, had happened, what is it telling? Already finished. Action done, completed. Now first one, which is going to do later. Now pick out the sentences from the story that describe actions done in the past. Write them in the space provided. Circle the actions that were done earlier than the other actions. Now you pick out the sentences from the story and write which actions done earlier and which actions should be done later. Now see, read the following sentences. Now read the following sentences. Read the following sentences taken from the story. Circle the actions words. Action words. You circle the action words now. Akbar told the doctor that he had seen the face of Hirachand. Which are the action words here? Told, circle that one, and had seen. You circle that one. Now next one, he was shocked that he had been punished. Shocked. He was shocked. Again, had been. You circle that. Had been. And third one, you see, Hirachand agreed that he had met Birbal. Agreed, action, had met, action done this one. It is going to do this one later. Now complete the table as directed. Now which actions done earlier you write here in the box. Which actions going to be done later you write here. Now had seen. Had seen means completed action, means they saw. Now told, going to do later. Now had been, then shocked, then had met, agreed, agreed. Like this you complete the table, children. Now you see the second bit. Complete the following paragraph using the hints from the brackets. Now you complete the following paragraphs. Some hints is given in your brackets. You use that brackets and complete the paragraph. Now see, children, Ganesh packed his luggage and went to the railway station. Ganesh packed his luggage and went to railway station. By the time he reached, what was given in the bracket? Reach the station. He reached the station. So what it becomes? He reached the station. The train come to platform. The train had come means already came to the platform. Now turn your page and see here. He searched his pocket. There was no ticket. Now he understand. What is this? Understood. He understood that he forgot to bring his ticket. He rang up to his wife. She asked what had happened. What it is? Had happened. Now then she advised him to take the ticket from the internet. Like this you use the hints from the brackets and fill the paragraph. Complete the paragraph. Now writing part you have fun you see. First one, Akbar released Hirachand. He gave him many gifts. Hirachand went home very quickly. See, Akbar released Hirachand and also gave him many gifts. Yes or no? Hirachand also went home quickly. Now look, Papa has come. Money came running. See, Hirachand went to home now. Papa, money came running to his father. They hugged each other. What would be the conversation between Hirachand and Money? Now he went to home now. Hirachand went to home means who came near him? Money came running near him. Now what was the conversation between the Money and Hirachand? You should write down here now. Now write the conversation and then role play the same. See, now let us write the conversation between Hirachand and Money. Hirachand, see, when he went home, Hirachand, Money came running. See how he was feeling. I am very happy. I am very happy to see you. I am very happy to see you, Money. I am very happy to see you, Money is saying. Hirachand telling to Money. Now Money what is saying? Where have you been? Where have you been all these days? Where have you been all these days? Papa, he is asking his father, where you went these many days. Now see, Hirachand. See now Hirachand what is giving in reply? I have just been released from prison, daughter. See Mani, what she is asking again. Now why did they put you in prison? Why did they put you in prison? Hirachand, what answer is giving? See, it's all my bad luck. It's all my bad luck. It's all my bad luck. Now Mani, what is telling? What is there in the bag? What is there in the bag? Add one name there, Hirachand. There are some gifts in the bag. There are some gifts in the bag, he told. Okay children, next class we will discuss some of grammar part of this lesson.